Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk about a high probability sell setup. Like yesterday we had a buy setup, high probability one. Now I'm gonna talk about the sell setup of the same. So as you can see, I told you guys about head and shoulder pattern. So in this scenario, the head and shoulder pattern is inverted. For the buy is the normal one, but for the sell, on the left side there must be a inverted head and shoulder pattern, which is in line with a significant support resistance. So when the pattern fails, on the right shoulder, that's where the price should, that's where the price was violated, and the price violated the head and shoulder, the inverted head and shoulder pattern. So as I told you guys yesterday on the buy setup, so when the market always usually returns, and when it returned to that zone, if that zone was significant, if the inverted head and shoulder pattern was in line with the significant support resistance, there is always a good reaction. And as you can see, I've indicated on the right shoulder the RS. The RS where we indicated RBD stroke DBD. It means we are looking for a supply zone because we are selling. So we're looking at a valid supply zone. A rally based drop or a drop based drop. So for a rally based drop, what does it mean? So in that case scenario, we have a buy candle, then a sell candle. So the price rallied up, then dropped. And for the drop based scenario, it's just a drop, price was dropping, form a base and continues to drop. So that's why we're gonna wait for the price to come back and give us some good reaction, hopefully. So as you can see, the F4 zone, which is the fake out zone, it usually happen on the head of the HnS pattern. So in this case, it usually happens on the head of inverted head and shoulder patterns. The head, the one that I have labeled a lower low LL head. That's where the fake out usually happens. So you should not get trapped in those fake outs. So when the price, in case you try to scalp sales, you know what the price is doing, so you ain't gonna get trapped in that case. So after the price have done the fake outs, so we wait for a breakout, and the breakout must be clean. Marubozu candles, those clean candles, the long ones, not some noisy candles. It should be a clean candle that break out the zone. Like I've written there, this zone should be broken with clean candles, Marubozu. If the breakout is noisy, don't take that trade. So you have to look at the breakout and the arrival. So the arrival must also be a clean candle, not some noisy candles arriving at the zone. No. Should be a clean candle. So don't get trapped. So this is a very high probability setup. You should never miss these. 90% it usually pays. For the take profit, as I've labeled TP1 on the head of the inverted HnS pattern. So the head of the inverted HnS is the lower low on the left side. So that's your TP1. Then the TP2, the origin of the move. Obviously there is some liquidity on that trend line. There is always a trend line or equal lows. So that's where the price might land later. But on TP1 you usually take partials. I usually take 50%. Let me look for a chart example. Guys, remember to subscribe and like and share, turn on the notification ring. Yeah, turn on the notification icon or the ring on the bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. Yeah, thank guys. Let me do the chat example on a separate video. Yeah, so keep checking. I'll post the next video in a few minutes. Thank you.